Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Mummy Dog today. First, let's draw the shape of Mummy Dog's face. Then, her cute ears. Her nose. Let's draw her eyes with lashes. Next, her lip. Her cheek. Let's draw the shape of Mummy Dog's body. Look, she opened her eyes for you. I'm drawing her arms and hands. Mummy Dog is happy to see you today. Next, her tails. Lastly, her legs and shoes. Join me as we add color to Mummy Dog together. She has a black nose, a dull red cheek, a dull, dark brown color on her face and ear. Mummy Dog, the caring wife of Captain Dog and the loving mother of Danny Dog. With her floppy ears, a friendly grin, and a heart full of warmth, Mummy Dog is the heartwarming matriarch who turns every day into a possum adventure of love and laughter in the Peppa Pig universe. A green glitter on her dress. Mummy Dog is waving at you. Hello, Mummy Dog. Mummy Dog gives heartwarming hugs that make everything feel better. I like a warm hug. Do you like Mummy Dog's green dress? Me too. A dull, dark brown color as well on her arms, hands, towel and legs. A black glitter on her shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.